Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP from Ledger Live. First, make sure your Ledger device's firmware is completely up to date. This ensures compatibility and security for your transactions. Next, install the XRP application on your Ledger device using Ledger Live. Finally, connect your Ledger device to your computer and unlock it, preparing it for the upcoming purchase process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth experience. Once your Ledger device is ready, open the Ledger Live application on your computer. Look for the Buy/Sell section, typically found in the left-hand navigation menu. Click on this option to begin the purchasing process. From there, you will be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. Choose XRP. Then, specify the fiat currency you will use for your payment, such as US dollars or euros. This sets up your transaction. After selecting XRP and your fiat currency, Ledger Live will present you with a list of third-party service providers. Take a moment to compare their rates and choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, enter the exact amount of XRP you wish to purchase or the fiat equivalent. You will then be guided through the payment process, which typically involves entering your payment details and confirming the order with the chosen provider. This step finalizes the order. The final and most critical step involves confirming the transaction on your Ledger device itself. Carefully review all the transaction details displayed on your Ledger screen, ensuring they match your intended purchase. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the purchase by simultaneously pressing both buttons on your Ledger device. After this confirmation, your newly acquired XRP will be securely sent directly to your Ledger XRP account, completing the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.